Do you want to do something sweet for your loved ones?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I look like a naked mole rat because I just took a shower. Outfit from Shein. Let's go. So I have my pancake mix here, and I'm gonna be making pancakes for my whole family. But I'm gonna add a twist because I've been seeing a lot of pancake boards, as you can see right here. They're really just aesthetically pleasing, and I want to be the aesthetic person in the family. So, you know, I don't really know if that makes sense. But yeah, so we're gonna make pancakes. It's pretty easy. It's not from scratch, so I'm sorry because I'm just not a chef. We got the big pan, even though I'm gonna make mini ones because the picture, duh. And we have this big measuring cup because I don't know where the smaller one is. So there's no big bowls, so we're just gonna do with this because I don't want to wash it. That's a little too much work, and I don't feel like that. We got pancake mix. It's pretty healthy. It says just add water, so I'm excited. Also, I need to get vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. We have the whisk, and then, so it says here on the like box, it says like 4-inch pancakes. And I actually don't really know how big 4 inches is. I might just try with 1 cup and see how much that makes. It'll probably be enough though. So. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more batter just because I don't like my pancakes dying. So now I'm gonna take you off of this and bring you along. So we got 1 cup of pancake mix and 2/3 of water, it says, so it's just. Okay, now I'm gonna whisk it. So let's talk. So I'm so scared I'm gonna make a mess. But I actually really wanted to do a cooking video because, I don't know, I just want to talk to you guys and everything. Ask how school's going. So I started school like 3 weeks ago, and it's kind of crazy. I dropped out of one of my classes because I joined something new. I joined yearbook, and it's actually really cool. So, you know, if you don't have anything to do with your life, join a club because it will make your high school experience better. I promise you, that's actually a fact. But yeah, school's been pretty easy, except that sometimes it's hard to see my answers to certain teachers, but it's okay. I think this actually is really good. Like, this looks bomb. Because I made pancakes one time, and then my mom said I was doing it wrong, so that's how awkward. Also, I'm doing this because I just want to show my family that I love them, because when I really love someone, like, and I'm so used to them, like, every single day and everything, which is, like, literally only with them and, like, my best friend, but it's just really hard for me to show love to them and, like, appreciation. I don't really know why, because I'm, like, super, like, nice to everyone. Like, I swear, I'm really nice, guys, so you should be my friend. I get mad at them for, like, anything, like, that's actually bad. Like, I'm just dramatic to them. I get annoyed, like, really easily at them. But if you're, like, watching me and you're scared of me now, I'm not gonna get annoyed of you. Like, I'm the most annoyingest person ever to anyone. I'm just gonna put some vegetable oil. Also, guys, in that last clip, I was just being honest with you guys. I'm genuinely, like, super nice and super sweet. You could ask anyone. I love making friends, so don't be scared of me. You can see there's a little flame right there because it's heating up the oil. And yeah, so let's talk about the weather in California. So if you don't know, I live in California, and it's actually like 110 degrees this weekend, and I hate it here. I actually hate fall just because of the weather, and that's mainly just because I live in California. Like, I think it's so pretty in, like, the East Coast and everything. Like, it looks so amazing, but, like, in California, it's annoying because I want to wear a sweater because it's fall and it's cold in the morning and everything. So I wear a sweater, and then, like, at lunchtime when I go out and, like, see my friends and everything, I almost died from having a heat stroke because it's like 100 degrees, you know, and it got like 30 degrees hotter, like, throughout. I don't know how that happens, but I guess California. If you want to experience real fall, go to New York. I don't know, actually, I've never really been to any other countries in fall. So if you're a little kid watching this, please make the pancakes with supervision. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm patting down the oil, getting all that excess oil off. And then after I'm done, because I already know like what I'm gonna do for the layout. This is the board basically. And I'm gonna fill out the layout, and then I'm gonna take the pancakes off again and then reheat them because I hate having cold pancakes. Let me put this on a tripod because I'm just so lazy. I made this little thingy, I don't know, it came off, but let's try it. Cooking success. It tastes bland, but that's why we're gonna add toppings. Oh, there's a strawberry falling. Oh, it looks so good, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the whole setup. I'm reheating the pancakes. So we have this syrup. It looks like it's a little bit, but it's actually a lot. I use like half a bottle, so oops. We got raspberries and then chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate chips just because I really like dark chocolate, so yeah. And then we have banana and strawberries. I didn't cut the strawberries because in the like Pinterest board things, they're not cut. So I also have the table set up. I have nice little water glasses. And then the boys get the smaller cups because they should dehydrate. I'm just kidding. Yay! Beautiful. Don't be so sappy, guys. Be funny about it. What do you guys like about it?
Woohoo! I like the colorfulness, and it's got a little bit of everything, so I just don't see the meat.
Sammy. What do you think about it? You like it?
No comment.
So, I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to do this. I'm not gonna be sappy, even though I probably will be. So basically, I did this because I wanted to show my appreciation to my family and my, you know, like the people who I love the most and everything. I didn't make this video for you to be inspired to make a pancake board for your family. I made this video to inspire you guys to just do something nice, just any type of gift, anything, like something small. Like this is, I have all this stuff in my pantry. Like I didn't even buy anything. Like some of you guys may not be blessed with a family like mine. Just, you know, do it with anyone you genuinely love. Friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, I don't know. If you've been going through a hard time, just remember that someone is out there who does love you, and they may just be in your future and you'll never know. But just don't do anything you regret, be safe, and have a great day. Bye.